Kia ora, Year 12 and 13. This is a very short video of what might be the easiest excellence question ever in a level 3 calculus paper. I'm not putting a merit one in with this because the merit question from question 2 is just a bit too tedious for me to feel like going through right now. So here's question 2e. We've got to find all possible values of k that are going to make this thing here a purely real number. Now, I honestly can't see what is so tricky about this one, except that we've got a ki, and you've got to realize that k is an unknown. But the first thing we're going to do is what we always do when we've got division of a complex number. We're going to take the denominator and we're going to rationalize it as follows. So we're going to do that like this and multiply out. And we're looking to have u be purely real. So then we're going to solve to figure out the values of k that will give me my coefficient b on my complex number equaling 0. So that's the strategy. So doing the cleanup work first, let's pop some brackets in, we get 1 minus k squared I squared in the denominator. And we get k plus 4i minus k squared I minus 4k I squared. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the fact that I squared is equal to -1. So we get k plus 4k, and that's from this bit here. Oh, my pen didn't change colour from that bit there. There we go. So k plus 4k plus 4 minus k squared I over 1 plus k squared. So that's u. We're just about done. U is equal to 5k over 1 plus k squared plus the bit we're interested in, 4 minus k squared over 1 plus k squared I. So for u to be purely real, we need 4 minus k squared over 1 plus k squared equals 0. We can multiply through by 1 plus k squared, giving me 4 minus k squared is 0. 4 is equal to k squared, so k is equal to 2 or -2. Now you can go and check that all works, but trust me it does. Actually, don't trust me, go check it. If you pop that back in there, u works out to be a purely real number. So that's all there is to it. 2.5 minutes for an excellence question, not bad. Hopefully you guys get something that nice and easy this year. But actually, hopefully not, because it was pretty boring. Thanks for watching.